Hey everyone, this is just a video that I wanted to show you using Screencast-O-Matic, and what I'm going to show you is how to convert a document from English into Spanish. So the easiest way is to pull it up in Google Classroom, and then you can download it or save it as a different type. So you can download it as a Microsoft Word document or a PDF. The easiest way to convert a document is to go to Google Translate, which is in the email. And then the feature that you want to click on is Documents. So click on Documents and hit Browse Your Computer. You have to save it to your computer in order to translate it. So then I'm going to click on the document that I saved. I saved it to my desktop, but wherever you save it, just be sure that you can easily find it. So double click on that document and then hit Translate. And it'll translate it into Spanish. Just make sure you have it clicked and checked, marked Spanish. So then what I'm going to do is copy and paste all of this into a blank Google document. That way it's easily accessible in Google Classroom. So I'm going to hit New, Google Doc. Then I'm going to copy and paste it all here. The formatting again pretty much stayed the same. So what you want to do, you might want to space it out a little bit so that he can easily follow it, and then title it what you want. I usually put it with his name so I know that's his document in Spanish. And then, like always, you would just go to Google Classroom and push it out so that way he can edit it and continue schoolwork just like anybody else. So again, this is using Screencast-O-Matic, and hopefully this will help us help him. And if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to come help you and show you how to do this and walk you through it, because I think it's a great tool.